All right, Keith.
Well, here at the Weather Channel, it's our goal to give you the forecast and information you need to help keep your family safe and yourself as well. And you need to take precautions against a potentially deadly cold outbreak. Joining us live here in the studio is Dr. Sandy Freihofer. She is an internist, an associate professor at Emory Medical School. Now, let's talk about the cold. Obviously, a big one coming. Now, your age, that has a lot to do with your risk when it comes to the cold.
Yes, Keith, the very young and the very old are more vulnerable to the cold and its effects. Also, people who are drinking alcohol or using illicit drugs, and of course, anybody who's been outdoors for a long period of time or extended period of time is more at risk.
Okay. And, you know, my mom always said this to me, but the older bundle, the Christmas Story bundle, that can be bad for you.
Well, if you don't bundle up and take those layers outside with you, you can't take them off. But if you do start to sweat, take off a layer, and you can always put it back on later. And when you do that first layer, try to make it a synthetic layer so it will wick away the moisture, which will keep the evaporation from happening, which can make you colder.
Okay, but if you do sweat, you should take off.
Yes, take off a layer. You can add it back if you get cold.
Right. Okay. Now the flu. Obviously, we're in full swing right now. 25 states reporting widespread flu. So, what does that have to do with the cold?
It's flu season, Keith.
Yeah.
That's why we tell everyone over 6 months old to get a flu vaccination every year. Now, the good news is this year's vaccination covers H1N1, which is the main strain that is circulating. But the flu vaccine is not 100%. So if you do get vaccinated and you get sick, call your doctor. You may need antivirals. But everyone needs to get vaccinated. Okay. It takes 2 weeks to build up protective antibodies. So if you get the shot now and you get sick within that 2-week period, don't think I'm not going to get it next year. Every year, everyone over 6 months old. And this is flu season.
Okay. This is my first year getting it. I got it this time, so hopefully you approve of that.
I am so proud of you. Great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Thank you, Dr. Sandy. Much appreciated. Good tips for the cold weather here.
Nice job, Keith. All right, got to talk 7-day forecast.